Today, at Eppy's Chop Shop, we bought a Chevy.
No, we didn't.
Hey, what up, fools? Welcome back to the Chop Shop. What it is? What up? Today's project. We're broke still, not working still. So we're trying to save money and build things still. First, and I doubt that you'll notice the difference in sound or light in here because the door's open. But I've been bringing junk styrofoam home from work for some time. And I've managed to insulate the entire one side of my garage ceiling and the first two sections of the other side. And I got a couple like random pieces up there, but oh yeah, free insulation. You can already tell the huge difference. When the sun comes around, man, it just bakes me. It's getting ready to come over the house. Once it comes this way, it gets pretty toasty, but huge difference already with this. And I know it's like the first time it's hitting 65 this year. I'm already trying to cool my garage down, but it's what it is. Check out today's episode, project, whatever. What we got going on here is this is the transmission mount factory for the F100. Obviously, don't want to take off of it. It's super grody. Now, I'm going for more of a performance-oriented build here, plus cheap. You can get like aftermarket bushings and stuff for this. You can also buy aftermarket solid mounts or just like all around fabricated. I really can't get a good shot on this. Here we go. But I think what I'm going to do, as you can see, this is two pieces. It's just held together by this little gasket. I think what I'm going to do is ditch this gasket, clean it up real nice, burn these two pieces together, and maybe like box it in here or something. But now that will make this shorter, which, you know, in theory is going to drop the transmission down and the tail end ever so slightly. Not really that worried about it because, I mean, look how the truck's sitting. For real. Look how the truck's sitting. I think a little transmission tilt is the least of my concerns. The worst case scenario, I mean, it's not the best way to do it, but I could make it back up by, you know, putting some washers in here, or I could even just cut a plate and just shim it. But let's stop rambling and start doing some work. Check it out.
perfect.
And wow, there it is. Still hanging. But I mean, what more do you want me to show you? Obviously can't install it because the transmission is under that tarp. Truck is there. Engine is there. But check it out. Like I said, just burn the top two pieces together, and then I cut two little boxing plates. One to go on each side here. And you know, so I didn't even really bother to clean this up. This is the transmission mount. You're never gonna see it again. Once it goes in there, you know, it needed to be strong and it needed to have a, you know, a thick, strong paint on it to prevent it from getting all rusty and nasty again. But like I said, you know, this was a cheap, easy, unbroke, and second home project. I have $0 wrapped up on this particular project. I happen to have some 1/8" plate laying around, and that's what I welded each side plate with. And other than that, like I said, I just cleaned all the rubber out, burned it together, shot some paint on them. And again, you know, the reason I do little things like this, I know this is a dumb little project, but these dumb little projects save you money so that you can build dumb big projects. And we're not going to go into this because I think I'm going to use this little project as a bonus episode. So watch for that. Shit. That's all I got for you on this one. And again, I was just trying to save you some money. That I think those motor mounts range anywhere from like, I think 10 to like 30, 40 bucks, depending on if you want like performance bushings in them. You can buy, I think Dorman even makes like an OEM solid mount, but I already had that, and I have a welder, and I have time on my hands, and literally, if you look those up, a lot of the solid mounts are literally just these two pieces welded together anyways. So mine, besides the fact that my welds are kind of ugly, it's probably actually stronger than theirs, and it didn't cost me nothing. So boom. That's it, guys. It's a beautiful day. As you see, I was shirtless, showing you my goods. That's all I got for you. Thanks for swinging by. I hope all is well. Deuces.